To what I was saying.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Black here, and today we are going to do a video about how to set up your screener in TradingView. So I will be using the free version of TradingView, and the screener is to help you find pairs that you will be able to trade depending on your strategy. The strategy I'm going to show you is the same one I showed you on the trading video I did, so it's simple for the people that watched it, and you can change it up for your strategy. You just need to know the values of the things, and that will be easy. So right now I want to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and join the two discords if you are interested in learning how to trade, if you want to get info on lending platforms, so all the cool things. So right now, if you look at my screen, you can see here, well, you can't really see, but we can see here Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and that's not what we want. We are here to trade crypto. So to do that, you would need to come here to the flag, and instead of using USA markets, you go all the way down and go into switch to cryptocurrency signal finder. So that will give you all the pairs on every exchange, etc. So right now, to set up your screener, you would come here, you would click on this item, and I've already did some things because I tried to record this. So what you need to do is you will need to set up the exchange you are trading. You will need to set up your indicators, which for the strategy I showed you, we use Bollinger Bands, RSI, and MACD, and you will need to set up the rating of your pair. So right now, to select the exchange, you just come here, you write exchange, and I normally show my trading videos on Binance because it's one of the simplest exchanges, and it's already on TradingView, so you can use your screener for Binance. You can also use it for Bittrex, so that's okay. So that's done. So after that, we need to set up our rating. So if you know the strategy, we normally go in when the price is close to the bottom Bollinger Band, and when it is close to the bottom Bollinger Band, it normally means that the coin is being sold, so it's being oversold. So the rating we need to set up is sell, since we want to get in before a strong sell. So we want to be able to look at the market before it starts rising in price. So before strong sell. So let's select sell, because we want to be able to enter the market before our strategy happens. So after that, you need to go and pick Bollinger Bands. So how did I come to the value of 0.1? So let me show you. If you come here on the indicators, and the free version you can only have 3, if we select Bollinger Bands and this one, Bollinger Bands percentage, you will be able to see that we can associate values to the top one, the middle one, and the bottom one. And we are looking to when the coin is close to the bottom one. So if we see here, this one is close to the bottom one, and the value is minus 0.3. But we want to be able to go in before that happens. So I would say 0.1, because that's close to the bottom one, but not below it. So that's a good value. After that, so you would come here, Bollinger Bands, and right up here on the Bollinger lower band, because that's the one we are using, you want to write 0.1. So right now, what do we need? We are missing MACD and RSI. So on MACD, I forgot how to get the value, but I know the value. So if we check on MACD, this is what it looks like, and we want it here. So this would be the point we want our MACD, right? It's the point where it switches. So I know the value that I use. The value is 0.01. So I forgot how I got the value, but I know that's the value. So right now what we are missing is RSI, and we are going to use stock RSI, even though in the video I don't use it. I use the normal RSI, which you can use the normal RSI. You would get a value close to 25. So let's say 30. But if we use the stochastic, if you see here, this is the 20. So we want a bit above the 20. So let's say 25. So we would come here, RSI, and on the stochastic, we would go, it's the 331414. So yeah, it's this one. So 25. Or you could come here and go 30. So you do it how you want. So you either use the normal RSI or use the stochastic one. So I think is the same, and that's okay. So if we come here into the one I already set up, now you are here. Let me just get Bittrex out. So now you are here and you are seeing that you have Ethereum pairs, but you don't want Ethereum pairs. So what you would do, you would just write up here BTC, and so let's take a look. So let me just get Bollinger Bands. So it looks like some of these pairs will be close to a buy point. So okay, these coins are all looking really bad. There is no spread between the values, but if you see, most of the things go well. So you see the crossing was here, so this one is already with a bit of delay, but if you see, there was a buy point here. We have this one, so the coins are not really looking really great, but this screener won't trade for you, so you will still need to know the strategy, since you need to... Oh, I'm on the 1-day chart, guys. That's the problem. Of course, I was on the 1-day chart, and this strategy is for 15 minutes, which you also need to set up here. So you would set up here 15 minutes. And so if we see, it's all going as we planned. So right here, the values are okay. It's close to the bottom one. If we check this one, okay, this one is not that great. If we check on the 15 minutes, which is one we are using, yeah, it's closer. So you can see that these will be able to help you spot pairs you want to go in. So if you see Verge, really good buy-in, close to what our strategy uses. So this would be a great way to spot pairs you want to trade. So you will still need to do your research on the coin, see if it really is the best buy-in, but this will be able to show you a bit of pairs to trade before the strategy happens. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like in the video, subscribe to the channel. If you didn't, leave a dislike, and join our 2 Discords. I really think you should. Remembering you that there is still running the KuCoin contest for Crypto Junkies community, so join our Discord, enter the contest, and happy trading for you guys. See ya.